Come on, baby. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. My hair covers her. Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Asia and this is Ava, my baby girl. Say hi, baby. Do you see yourself? On my channel, I do a lot of mom things, mom vlogs. I talk about my breastfeeding journey and just all of that kind of stuff. I do lifestyle, hair journeys. Yeah, I'm just documenting anything that I feel will be fun because I just like editing and coming up with new ideas. So I'm a little all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoy me in this video, and I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know what you think, you know? We're gonna jump into the video. As you guys can see by the title, we are talking about wonders of booby milk. The wonders that are within you, your breast milk. It's awesome. We about to talk about it. So yeah, this is for new moms, or if you're thinking about breastfeeding, learn something new that you could do with your breast milk. Because I have like a lot and it's like kind of overflowing in there. So I need ways to kind of get rid of it in a way, you know? I know this might break some people's heart, but a lot of the times I have to like throw my milk away. So yeah, these are ways to prevent from doing that. One, you can make it into lotion. Yes, you can make your breast milk into lotion. And you can put it on your baby, or you can mix it with your lotion. So I have a video of me doing just that. I'll pop it up right now. So yes, you can mix it in with your baby's lotion, or you can make your own lotion out of it. I'll be doing a video on that coming up once I get all the supplies to do that, which leads me to number 2. I'll be doing a video on number 2, which is making soap for your baby. Yes, you can make soap for baby, and the lotion you can use for yourself as well. So yes, you can make your breast milk into some soap, or you can add it to the soap just like how you did with the lotion. You can add your breast milk into the soap, or give them a milk bath. So you'll run your baby's water, and then you'll pour the breast milk in there and bathe your baby as normal. Number 3, if your baby has cradle cap, you put them in the tub. You can warm up your milk. Make sure it's warm, because I wouldn't want nothing cold on my head. I'm sure you wouldn't either. So warm it up a little bit and pour it on their head and massage it in there everywhere, or wherever the cradle cap is at. Massage it into your baby's scalp, and then let that sit for the whole time they're taking their bath. If you're worried about it getting cold, you can like put a towel over it, like the hooded part of the towel. You can put the hood on them, or you can keep putting the warm breast milk on there. Okay, number 4, if your baby has baby acne, you can get a cotton ball and soak it in your breast milk, and then rub that on your baby's face 10 to 20 minutes before you wash it off. It could either be before a bath, or you could just get a hot rag or a warm rag and just wipe your baby's face off. If you don't have breast milk, and if you're not breastfeeding, you can just use a regular warm towel every day, morning and night, and then that should help. I don't recommend putting anything. I don't even recommend putting soap on your baby's face or lotion, not even coconut oil. Like, I don't put anything on her face at all. I don't recommend it. I don't know, I just don't. I just feel like they're very sensitive, and like these soaps are very bad for you. These things in these, they put like super harsh chemicals in these baby products, and it's like, they're babies, they're brand new. Oh, also, if you have acne, you can put it on your face. This is for mom, baby, dad if they want to, or like your other kids. You can use it with your other kids as well. All of that. Sore nipples, number 5. So you're breastfeeding, obviously. If this is the early stages, if you're a little sore and it's tender, it's feeling a little raw, after your baby's done eating, or yeah, after your baby's done eating, go ahead and like get some milk out and put it on your nipples. or if you have pump milk, you can go ahead and put that on there too. Another thing that I never really did or thought about, like soaking a cotton ball and putting it on my breast and then like putting a tight shirt on or a bra to like keep it right there. I never thought about that. Try doing that. That might help a lot. Number 6, it can help with pink eye. If you have another child that has pink eye, if you have pink eye, it helps. Number 7, I'm going to be making my own baby food. If you're doing the same, you can put some of your breast milk in it. If it's too thick, you know, to thin it out a little bit, you can put your breast milk in it. Even if it's not too thick, I would suggest putting your breast milk in it. It's something familiar to the baby. I just think that it'll mix better in their tummy and in their mouth, because they're like, okay, this is mama. Okay, but it's also something else. So I'm going to do that. I recommend you do that. I think that will be a nice little surprise. Number 8, if your baby has eczema, you can put it on their skin. If you like want to just put it all on them 10 to 20 minutes, just like how you would do their face, you can do that with their whole body. You can do breast milk soap, breast milk lotion, and a breast milk bath. Hit them with all of that and put it on them before. It should help, okay? Especially if you're very consistent with it. Number 9, when your baby starts teething, you can get the little popsicle shaper things. I don't know what they're called, but you know what I'm talking about. I'll pop a picture up. You can get some of those and put your breast milk in it, freeze it, give it to your baby. They can hold on it, gnaw on it all they want. Give them a bib or put them on a towel or something in their high chair. It's gonna be messy, I'm sure, but it should help their teething. And of course, you're not giving them like a popsicle or ice or anything. It's your breast milk. So number 10, if your baby has a diaper rash, I'm telling you, breast milk works for that. 11, insect bites. 12, if your baby gets a sunburn, if you get a sunburn, if dad gets a sunburn, if other kids get a sunburn. 13, ear infections. I don't know how that works, but I knew from watching like other things, or I don't know if you put it in there or if you do like a cotton ball. You would have to look that one up. I'm not sure. I just know that fact, so I should have looked it up. Sorry guys. Now you know. 14, I just learned this. You can use it as a makeup remover. 15, I didn't know that babies get clogged tear ducts, but you can use it for that to help their clogged tear ducts. If they have chapped lips, I know that bothers me. She had chapped lips for like 2 days when she was younger, like when she was a newborn, and I was like, oh my god, I can't put nothing on this baby lips. So you can put it on their lips for chapstick. Number 17, you guys can make jewelry out of it. So I'm gonna make a video on that because I want to do that. I'm gonna make some jewelry out of it. I'll pop a picture of what it looks like. It looks really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, breast milk can do all of these things and help all of these things get better because it has antibodies in them and so much more other nutritional benefits. In conclusion, this is just liquid gold. I love breast milk. Like, there's so many more other things that it could do. I just didn't name it. You guys can look it up. There's a really long list. Like, I went through the list and I'm like, dang, I didn't know that. But like, you can make cheese out of it. Of course, you can drink it yourself. You can put it with your cereal. I remember one time I didn't have enough milk and I had some in the refrigerator and I was like, I have more of the regular milk, so I'm just gonna put like a little bit of the breast milk in it because like I didn't have enough for my cereal. So I used it. I mean, I didn't taste the difference, but I used it. Breast milk can help you stop using all the harmful lotions and soaps that they have out there for babies. Like, it's horrible. Get the Think Dirty app. I talked about this in like some of my other videos. I really urge you to get it and check your baby products out because like there's been a lot of stuff from Johnson & Johnson, like people coming out saying that they have cancer from it. So like, I would get the Think Dirty app and like spend an extra few coins on those products that you're putting on your little tiny sensitive baby skin. That's another reason why I cloth the diaper, because these regular diapers have chemicals in them. So it's just something to think about. Get the Think Dirty app. You can use it for yourself too. They have makeup stuff on there, makeup removers, and then they have like people's reviews on it. It's really awesome. This is not sponsored, but it should be. I'm not even about to go hard anymore. Just get the app. Yeah, it can stop you from using soaps, lotions, shampoos, butt cream. You know, you can just go natural. Natural is the best way to go. But yeah, do your research, guys. Like, yeah, you can trust me because I did my research, but doing your own research to confirm what I'm saying, so you can know like the stuff can really help with what I'm, you know, with the things that I've named. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for clicking on my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Baby, now a kiss. Ready? Mwah. Bye guys, see you in our next video. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. I swear she wanna crawl.